Alright guys and girls, welcome back. ProBreeze here. This is an air fryer. So I've just put some chips in from about 18 minutes ago, or coming up to 18 minutes in 7 minutes. So about 12-13 minutes ago. Got about 7 minutes to go on there at 200C, about 320 Fahrenheit. So just put them in there. Basically you can pull this handle here in and out, put the chips in there. This is an extra large ProBreeze air fryer, so basically it's supposed to cook them nice and brown and crispy. Just got this through the door this morning. They say to wash it first and all that kind of stuff before use. There was a burning sensation when you first do it. You don't put anything in it straight away. You just put it in empty, the whole tray, and let it cook with nothing in it for about 5 minutes at the highest 200C, because this gets rid of the burning plastic inside. So we're at 6 minutes to go. Just cooking some chips there, and I'll be right back in a minute, guys and girls. See you in a bit.